hope you guys can see this. This is really pretty. It reminds me of verbena. This one is blueberry custard, $8.99, and this one is raspberry lemonade. You guys know what these are. Azalea. It's my favorite petunia. It's got the best smell. Oh, so pretty too. Okay guys, this is the day after I filmed that video. Decided to come back out, and at the end of the video I'll tell you why I came back out. These are $6.99. I'm really tempted to get some and keep them safe from the cold. Our weather can still dip. This is pretty. Biden's. Look at the color of those. I saw this for the first time last year. Beautiful. I love that silvery gray. I gotta send this to my son. I think he'd like this. Also here, some more Senecio. This is called Winter Whisper. I love these in the garden. And look at this. Speaking of silver, Delta or Delta, sun to shade. I think I'm gonna have a silver pot on the deck with purple petunias. Wouldn't that be pretty? The contrast of colors. Let's see what else they have. Okay, I love coleus, okay? This one is a trailing coleus. I've had this before. It's $12.99 for this pot. It was about a 6-inch, 5 or 6 inch, something like that. They do well in sun or shade, it says. I know I usually have it in a part sun location. I always love this color, $12.99. This is the place I like to come for my coleus because they have so many different kinds, but you need to get here early in the season because they do sell out. This year I intend to keep my coleus alive inside. I'm going to try to replant the next year. Under the sea crab, that is cute. And I always love the pops of red in the yard. This is under the sea electric eel. Wow, look at that. Ooh, this one, El Brito, $12.99. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Oh boy, so many choices. Peter's Wonder I had in my yard last year. I didn't get this big, but it was pretty. So far, El Brito has my heart. And look at this. Color Glaze Wicked Witch. Gets 2 feet tall. Isn't that pretty? I like that one too. Oh my, look at this. This is not coleus, it's irisine. Blazing Rose. Ooh, guys, look at this. Oh, wow, this is pretty. $8.99. It gets 3 by 3 feet. Wow. It's very robust, colorful foliage, and it enjoys sunny containers or gardens. Very pretty. For that price, I think this is going to sell out quickly. Oh, I'm tempted to go get a cart. But the reason why I came back, I'll have to show you guys in a moment. Hang on till the end of the video. Here's some more. Or did I cover this already? I don't think I came this way. I don't know. Ruby Punch. Very pretty. Redhead. This is called Solar Flare. Which is a little bit brighter than the El Brido, I think. No, it looks very similar. And there's so much more, as you can see. I like to have that one, the wasabi, for pops of brightness in the shady areas. Look at this, guys. Florida Sun Rose. Ooh, boy, that's pretty. Okay, so this is called Campfire. I love it. This is called Inferno. Coleosaurus. Microblaze Spitfire. Low maintenance, big impact. Height. Big impact, color, texture, height, sun to shade. It doesn't say what the height is. So let's look on the tag. Height 10 to 16 inches. Space them 12 inches apart. I think I like that in a container. Alright guys, I didn't come here to purchase any outdoor plants, but I got a funny feeling I better go get a cart. Yeah, or I'm gonna regret it. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. I like this. Because I have a lot of pink going through the yard, front and back. If this fills out and gets nice and bushy. Wow, look at that stem. I think that might be a good blend for my yard. Along with, what was the other one? See what happens? I end up forgetting. This is pretty. Alright, I can stay here all day, as you can see. Let me see what else they have that you might be interested in seeing. I'm liking this begonia, Stonehenge Rose Bronze Leaf. It gets 3 feet tall. I can use a couple of these in my front yard, since my hydrangeas go from white to pink. This would be nice in the flower bed by the window in the front. $9.99. Love the leaf. This way, if it's not blooming, you still have that beauty. Oh, I could see a little sunshine on that. Look how that glistens in the sun. I'm dying to garden. Here we go again. This is Whopper Bronze Leaf Rose. Is that the same name? This is a deeper pink. I like this too. But I like that soft pink most. Vinca Vine. I don't need to buy any of that. My neighbor has it, and boy does it take over. I'm trying to keep it out of my yard, actually. It keeps trying to come on over. This is sweet potato vines. Woo. I love sweet potato vines in my containers. And this here, Goldilocks. Seen it called Creepin' Jenny as well. I think it's the same. $6.99 for a pot, but I gotta show you my deck later. It's grown back. It's not supposed to be a perennial, but it comes back for me. Fine tricolor sweet potato. That's cute. I usually like something like this shade with a lighter green, or that chartreuse. Is that chartreuse? That light green? That with the lighter green would be real pretty because it has a touch of it. But I do like to contrast these two with the fountain grass in the middle. Red fountain grass to be particular. Uh-oh, I see some of my favorites here. You tropical loving plant people, you gotta get Kana in your yard. I especially like this one because of foliage. This one has peach color flowers. This one, bronze orange, as orange. These go fast too, so you have to jump on them when you see them. And this one, look at that. Very pretty. It's an orangey one. A lot of orange this year. Orange doesn't really go with my colors in the front or the back, but I could do it on the deck. Just have. I like this. Vivid orange blooms. Again, the orange. Here, this one is really pretty. It's called Canova Bronze Scarlet. 3 to 4 feet tall. And it gets deep red flowers all summer long. Then I also like banana. That can get 8 to 10 feet tall. Think twice about putting it in the ground. I like them in a pot. At the end of the year, you see, or the end of the growing season, the stalk is so thick if you give it full sun. This one's called, this is one of my favorites, Morellii, $13.99. Okay. So I have to make quick decisions here. I don't like to impulse buy, guys. This is Kufia. I've done this before. It gets pretty tall and full, and the hummingbirds love it. $9.99. See those little cigar-shaped little flowers? They love that. And here's the outdoor area. It's getting more and more full. This is where I come for petunias, verbena, coral, what do you call those little million bells? Those tiny little petunia-like flowers. I love verbena. Verbena, I don't know. $8.99 a pot. Look at that color. It's deep purple, black velvet. This is phlox. Intensia blueberry, upright mounding phlox, which blooms heavily. I'll tell you what, butterflies love my phlox, my tall phlox. So we have the red. Let's see what they have over here. Salvia. Ooh, look how pretty that is. This one's $13.99. It gets 3 feet by 3 feet. Here's Roman red, another salvia. Deer resistant pollinator lover is what it says. Ooh, look at this color. Wow. I like that. Deep blue flowers with purple stems. Ooh, that's very pretty. It's almost black. I hope it's not too sunny. $13.99. I like that. And here's a skyscraper orange. Yep, I would imagine the hummingbirds would love this too. And it's deer resistant. I need rabbit resistant. The rabbits tear up my front yard. This is pretty. I always have unusual or new petunias. This is called blackberry cheesecake. It's very pretty. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, look how deep the color is on that one back there. Really pretty. I tell you, this is the place to come if you're looking for these types of plants. Every kind you can think of. This one with the spots. It reminds me of another one I tried. I don't know if they have it. Look at that one there. It's black flowers, really. Very dark. Oops. There we go. Sorry, I'm scanning as I'm trying to film. My eyes are going here, there, and everywhere. What I like to do is go around first and just see what's here. This is pretty. More phlox. I like that color. $9.99. This is what I'm heading toward. Wow. Here's the information. Aren't they beautiful? Proven winners. I'm sorry, the sun is probably not helping. Let me come from this angle. Maybe you could see it better. Oh my God, something smells good. I got a feeling this is what I'm smelling. My favorite petunia, Royal Velvet. Can't smell much this morning. I'm all stuffy, but I can smell that. I love to have that on my deck so that when I come to see what's happening in my yard, I go out onto the deck. Look at that color. Oh my Lord, that's so pretty. Okay guys, I need to drag myself away from here because I want so badly to do some impulse shopping, but I'm not ready to plant anything in the yard. So, zinnia. Okay, that's it. I gotta go. And hang on, I'm going to show you the reason why I came back out. You probably already know if you know me. I had this in my yard, and I think I ripped it out when I was doing my cleanup. It got pretty tall, but I love these little flowers. They're really pretty. So it gets 2 feet tall. I felt like mine got even taller than that. So put it in the back of the flower bed, and it will fill in. This is adorable. I could hear something buzzing. It was a damn bug in my hair. I'm sorry for my French. Anyway, I found it. Calistophylla black cat. Came back for it. Was kicking myself after that video. Found it there. I found the other one. I almost bought both, but I think this is a big enough plant that I'll be able to propagate in no time.